What's up guys, in this Photoshop tutorial I will show you very basic tutorial that how to create a new layer and ways to create a new layer, how to add a color like this to a layer, and how to delete a layer. This is very basic and simple tutorial for. So first way to create a new layer is go to layer and new and create a click on layer. So you can select your color, favorite color, and here you can check that here is red around the icon. You can check that there is red. You can also change this. Right click on mouse and I want green, so here is our green. And I want to add a text, so drag. I want to add a layer 2. So and the other way to create a new layer is here. You can click on this create new layer icon, and here is our new layer, and I want to add the color of this yellow, and this one is blue. So again text layer 2. So here is layer number 2, and I want to add green. So and the third way to create a new layer is the shortcut. You can press I want to add shift control N. So here is our again new layer. And if you want to delete this layer, you can press delete button on the keyboard, and here icon on delete layer. So this layer is gone. So friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. This is very basic, but people ask me and some question to add a new layer. So here is our tool. Thank you.